happens if it varies?
Whoa, what's that flash?
It's me. Hello everyone! Yami diri naglakaw-lakaw guys kay mangnihapon daw mi ingon sa kong mga anak kay Mother's Day man karon. So, Happy Mother's Day everyone! Happy Mother's Day sa tanang mga mama. Happy Mother's Day sa tanan. Mga unta guys, uban mi ninyo, mga unmi. Manihapon ra gud mi diri guys, diri sa kadaplin-daplinan. O gidalaman mi kus kong anak ang botaan unsa ka ni diri dapita. Ya, dito daw paingon. Dito daw mi paingon. Ya, mo ni diri ang one view. Diring dapita. 6:30 something ang amo ang booking.
Gluten free, right? Yeah, okay. And, yeah. Look at the panels. There's one at the start here. One at the back.
Crispy. Which one is yummy?
The fried chicken and avocado.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You don't like it?
I don't like that. Because I had a whole thing of burritos and then fried chicken size. Legit.
Oh, it's fine.
This is bloating, sir.
Your one's gluten. Yeah, no. The trolling. Bro.
This is a churros.
Yeah, churros.
Churros daw na san.
Wait, don't scrap it.
Okay.
You're really good to it. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Oh. You can take it to
Here's my card. Tap on
No, it's fine. I got it. I got it. I got it.
I will give you after.
Thank you, son. Thank you, children. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy Mother's Day.
Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day.
Nag-selfie kami dito sa gilid ng daan kung saan nakapark yung car bago kami umuwi. So, ito para pang souvenir again sa Mother's Day. Yan, done nami guys. Human nami nanihapon sa muang Mother's Day. Manguli nami. Nangaon rami og burritos og nacho. Unsa kay itong isa?
Nacho.
Nacho. Nacho with cheese.
Nacho business.
Thank you, children. Thank you. Thank you for the libre.
Thank you very much.
Thank you sa Mother's Day celebration. Mother's Day dinner. Thank you. Love you, children. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day. This is close to Chadstone, is it?
Manguli nami guys. Human nami nag-dinner, so uli nami.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you, Lord, for everything.